We haven't seen any real great changes in our weather pattern in that we've been under a ridge of high pressure. The only thing we see is it shifts a little bit to the east and back to the west a little bit. We still maintain a north flow. We get some mid and high level moisture, but not enough to help us with any precipitation. The Gulf flow is basically cut off by that north to south flow. I've been watching a batch of real cold air in the eastern part of Russia. That's migrated a little bit more toward Alaska, and we're going to watch this trough of low pressure out here. If it can drop a little bit more, and it is moving to the east a little bit, what we may be able to see is this ridge of high pressure suppressed a little bit and then force a low in the base of that trough out. So we've got, I'd say a week and a half, 2 weeks before we can talk any precipitation. And I have been saying mid to late December, we're going to see a significant cool down and we can put some moisture with it. So cold and wet, I think, as we get into mid to late December. Satellite radar, you can see a little cirrus nearest at times, some high clouds, a few mid-level clouds, basically a north flow. We got that frontal boundary in yesterday afternoon, and you don't see much else than that. We see a little cloud mass, it'll come, it'll go, the winds are starting to shift. We've got them a northeast-east wind. They're going to become southeast overnight, fairly light. Future track, we just bring those numbers down a little more slowly with a southeasterly wind flow. By tomorrow morning, we're all in the generally low 50s. 1 or 2 may hit the upper 40s. Then we warm back into the 70s tomorrow. Tomorrow evening, we'll begin to cool down once again. 49 overnight tonight, but still above normal. We're generally around 42 degrees. Our winds back to the southeast, 5 to 10. Big number tomorrow, 75. We get a weak Gulf flow, not enough to influence us moisture-wise. South winds will pick up and gust to 20. And then we're going to get this front approaching on Tuesday. That will bring our temperatures up. Ahead of the front, you force warm air south to north, so we get that south gusty wind. The front will come in, the winds will shift back to the north and northwest on Wednesday. Some cool down and a little cooler than we've been getting, 44 and 68 with another front approaching on Thursday, back to a north gusty wind. Then the numbers get down closer to normal in here. Of course, we're warming as we get into the end of next weekend. Chris?
All right, Bill, thanks so much. Looks like a good week ahead of us.